Section 1. No calculators. Number 1. Look at the list. A, negative parentheses negative 3. B, parentheses negative 3. C, absolute value negative 3. D, 3. Which of these has the opposite value of negative 3? A, D only. B. Section 1. No calculators. Number 1. Look at the list. A, negative parentheses negative 3. B, parentheses negative 3. C, absolute value negative 3. D, 3. Which of these has the opposite value of negative 3? A, D only. B, B only. C, A and D only. D, A, C, and D only. Number 2. An online music company charges $15 per CD plus a flat fee of $4 per order for downloading. Which equation best describes the relationship between the total cost of an order, C, and the number of CDs that are ordered, X? A, C equals 15X minus 4. B, C equals 4X plus 15. C equals 15X plus 4. D, C equals 60X. Number 3. Dale was asked by his teacher to arrange the integers in 4 sets from least to greatest. Dale tries it, but one set contains integers that are incorrectly ordered. Which of the following sets is incorrect? A, negative 3, negative 2, 0, 1, 7. B, negative 7, negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, 0. C, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9. D, negative 3, 0, 4, 10, 20. Number 4. Melissa is playing a trivia game. After 2 rounds of play, Melissa has negative 20 points. In the remaining rounds, she answers 7 questions correctly and 1 question incorrectly. Each correct answer is worth plus 25 points. Each incorrect answer is worth negative 10 points. What is Melissa's final score? A, 100 points. B, 145 points. C, 165 points. D, 205 points. Number 5. Solve negative 5 equals 10 plus x over negative 5. A, negative 4. B, negative 16. C, 15. D, negative 5. E, 0. Number 6. What is the value of the following expression? 16 squared minus 3 parentheses 10 plus 2 parentheses squared plus 19. A, negative 24. B, 0. C, 21. D, 200. E, 194. 7. What is the distance between negative 24 and negative 16.5 on a number line? A, negative 8.5 units. B, negative 7.5 units. C, 7.5 units. D, 8.5 units. Number 8. Maria spent $7.50 on a pizza after splitting the cost of the pizza with a friend. Which equations represent the situation? Option 1, equation x over 2 equals 750. Option 2, 1 over 2x equals 750. Option 3, x minus 2 equals 750. A, option 1 only. B, options 2 and 3. C, option 3 only. D, options 1 and 2. Number 9. Which of the following expressions is equal to negative 144? A, negative 6 times 2 times negative 12. B, negative 16 times negative 2 minus 16 times 7. C, 4 times negative 3 times 12. D, negative 4 times 11 plus negative 25 times negative 4. E, none of the above. Number 10. When taking notes in math class, your teacher says, find the quotient of the quantity x plus 2 and 4. Which of these expressions below would give you the correct result of the question you were asked? A, 4 parentheses x plus 2. B, x plus 2 divided by 4. C, parentheses x plus 2 divided by 4. D, none of the above. Number 11. Clinton drew a number line on his paper. Clinton says negative 18 is greater than negative 13. Is he correct? A, no, because negative 18 is farther from 0 than negative 13. B, yes, because on the number line, negative 18 is to the left of negative 13. C, yes, because the absolute value of negative 18 is greater than the absolute value of negative 13. D, yes, because 18 is greater than 13, and negative signs do not change the value of numbers. Number 12. Which of the scenarios below could be an accurate model of the following expression? 3 plus 9.5x minus 20. A, Tim has $3 in his wallet, loses $9.50 after completing an hour of work, and gains $20 for his daily work rate. B, Tim has prepared 3 cakes for 9.5 people and will charge $20 total for all of the cakes. C, Jim starts his day with $3 and then goes to work where he earns $9.50 per hour. As he works, after work, he goes out to dinner and earns $3. D, Greg has 3 brothers and was given $9.50 lunch for him and each one of his brothers. When they go to lunch, they end up spending a total of $20. E, all of the above are equally accurate. Number 13. Which answer shows another way of writing the expression below? 4 parentheses 3b minus 2 parentheses 3b plus 1. A, 2b plus 1. B, 2b minus 2. C, 6b plus 1. D, 6b minus 2. 14. Evaluate 6 parentheses x plus 4 equals negative 21 minus 3x and determine which of the following equations has the same value. A, 9x equals 45. B, 9x equals negative 25. C, negative 9x equals 45. D, 3x equals 3. Number 15. The area of a rectangular room in square feet is given by the equation 2y squared minus 4y plus 6. What is the area of the room when y equals 4? A, 10 square feet. B, 16 square feet. C, 22 square feet. D, 48 square feet. E, 52 square feet. Number 16, solve for x. Negative 8 parentheses 3x minus 4 plus 51x equals 8. A, x equals negative 8 over 25. B, x equals negative 8 over 9. C, x equals 4 over 9. D, x equals 40 over 27. Number 17. Tyron recorded these temperatures during the 3 coldest days of the year for Mr. Ishman. Which number line shows the correct placement of these temperatures? A, negative 45 degrees, negative 21 degrees, negative 28 degrees. B, negative 45 degrees, negative 28 degrees, negative 21 degrees. C, negative 45 degrees, negative 28 degrees, negative 21 degrees. D, negative 45 degrees, negative 28 degrees, negative 21 degrees. Number 18. Look at the quotient, negative 9 over 3. Which of the following could be represented by the quotient? A, a man lost 9 pounds a month for 3 months. B, 3 flags were lowered 9 feet. C, a hole is 1/3 as deep as another hole that is 9 feet deep. D, 3 customers each deposited $9. Number 19. A square with the side length of x plus 6 has the same perimeter as an equilateral triangle with a side length of 4x. What is the area of the square? A, 3 units squared. B, 9 units squared. C, 36 units squared. D, 81 units squared. 20. Solve for y. X equals y over z. A, y equals x parentheses z. B, y equals z over x. C, y equals z minus x. D, y equals x over z. E, none of the above. Number 21. What is the sum of a negative 13 and negative 9? A, negative 22. B, negative 17. C, negative 4. D, 4. E, 17. Number 22. Evaluate the expression if x equals 2, y equals 3, and z equals 4. Parentheses, 5yz minus x. A, 10. B, 13. C, 58. D, 60. E, 12. 23. Which scholar provided the most accurate definition of the set of all A, Adam. The set of all integers is all real numbers plus fractions. B, Beth. The set of all integers is all positive numbers and negatives. C, Carlene. The set of all integers is all whole numbers and negatives. D, Dave. The set of all integers is decimals, fractions, and negatives. E, all of the scholars have equally accurate definitions. Number 24. Which decimal is equivalent to 168 divided by 55? A, 3.0. B, 3.05. C, 3.054. D, 3.054. Number 25. Rita has a negative $8.35 balance in her school lunch account. Andrew has a negative $3.95 balance in his school lunch account. How much more does Rita owe than Andrew? A. $4.40. B. $12.30. C. $4.35. D. $8.35. Number 26. Tommy John used these three steps to simplify the expression. Step 1. 24 plus 2 times 4 minus parentheses 2 plus 6. Step 2. 24 plus 8 minus parentheses 2 plus 6. Step 3. 3 minus parentheses 2 plus 6. Step 4. 3 minus 8. Step 5. Negative 5. In which step did Tommy John make an error? A. Step 2. B. Step 3. C. Step 4. D. Step 5. E. No errors were made. Number 27. Simplify 3 parentheses negative 2x plus 6y. A. 6x plus 18y. B. Negative 6x plus 18x. C. Negative 6x plus 18y. D. 12xy. E. 24xy. Number 28. Which verbal expression matches the algebraic expression 3 parentheses x plus 2? A. 2 more than the product of a number and 3. B. 3 times a number plus 2. C. The sum of a number and 2 multiplied by 3. D. The difference of a number and 2 multiplied by 3. Number 29. Maria uses the following method to solve the equation 2 parentheses x plus 4 equals 40. Divide both sides by 2, then subtract 4 from both sides. What is another way to solve this equation? A. Multiply 2 times 4, then subtract 8 from both sides. B. Subtract 4 from both sides, then divide both sides by 2. C. Distribute the 2 across x plus 4, divide both sides by 2, and then subtract 8 from both sides. D. Distribute the 2 across x plus 4, subtract 8 from both sides, and then divide both sides by 2. Number 30. The volume V of a rectangular pyramid can be determined by using the following formula. V equals LWH divided by 3, where L is the length of the triangle, W is the width of the triangle, and H is the height of the pyramid. What is the result of solving this equation for W? A. W equals 3V minus LH. B. W equals V plus 3 minus LH. C. W equals V plus 3 divided by LH. D. 3V divided by LH. Number 31. Solve for R. R plus 5 equals 2 parentheses 5R minus 3. A. 11 over 9. B. 3 over 5. C. 9 over 11. D. 1. Number 32. Simplify. Negative 47 plus negative 15 equals A. Negative 94. B. Negative 62. C. Negative 32. D. 32. E. 62. Number 33. Casey and Miriam are buying hair ties by the pound per pound of hair ties. 2.233 plus 3.373 equals 22. What is the value of P? A. 5.5. B. 5. B. 3. D. 4. Number 34. Which number is rational? A. 4 over 3. B. 0.7. C. The square root of 3. D. 3.14. 35. Jennifer on page 95 of her book. If she reads each day, which of the following expressions show how many pages she will have read in X days? A. X plus 95. B. 95 minus C. 17x plus 95. D. 95x plus 17. E. 95 minus 17. 36. Solve the following equation. -5 parentheses x plus 3 parentheses x minus 1/3 equals -24. A. X equals -4. B. X equals 4. C. X equals 5. D. X equals 20. Number 37. What is the solution to this equation? 1/2 x minus 5 equals 7. A. 4. B. 6. C. 12. D. 24. E. 48. Number 38. Stephanie and Calandria are in the Girl Scouts. They both sell 27 boxes of cookies each week. Stephanie sold an additional 5 boxes one week. Write an expression that represents the total number of boxes sold for the season if S is the number of weeks Stephanie sold cookies and K is the number of weeks Calandria sold cookies. Option 1. 5 plus 27 parentheses S plus K. Option 2. 27S plus 27K plus 5. Option 3. 5 parentheses 27S plus 27K. Option 4. Parentheses 27K plus parentheses 27S plus 5. Option 5. 27S parentheses 27K plus 5. A. 1, 2, and 4 only. B. 1, 2, 3 only. C. All except 3. D. All except 4. Number 39. Erin is selling her house. The amount A she will earn is given by the equation A equals B parentheses 1 minus C minus D, where B is the sale price of the home, C is the percent commission earned by the real estate agent expressed as the decimal, and D is the amount paid in closing cost. Which equation is correctly solved for B? A. B equals A plus D over 1 minus C. B. B equals A minus D over C. C. B equals A plus C plus D. D. B equals A over 1 minus C plus D. Number 40. A moving company rents trucks for $19.95 per day plus 25 cents per mile for the first 50 miles. The company charges 40 cents per mile after the first 50 miles. How much will it cost a person to rent the truck for 2 days and drive 75 miles? A, $42.45, B, $62.40, C, $62.45, D, $68.70. Number 41. A math teacher asked the following question about classifying numbers. Which of the following students had the most correct answer? A. Devante. The result of a rational number plus a rational number is an irrational number. B. Taylor. The product of a rational number and an irrational number is a rational number. C. Tyler. The sum of a rational number and a rational number must always be a rational number because the result will always be quantity that can be represented as a fraction. D. Nick. The product of an irrational number and an irrational number must be rational. E. None of the above. 42. An empty box weighs 6 ounces. Jenna puts 12 calculators in the box. The total weight of the box and calculators is 96 ounces. Which equation models the weight, W, in ounces of each calculator? A. 6W plus 12 equals 96. B. 6 plus 12W equals 96. C. 6 plus 96 equals 12W. D. 12 plus 96 equals 6W. Number 43. The Rubios, O'Connors, and James families went on a trip to a museum. Tickets are $7 per child, C, and $10 per adult, A. The equation below can be used to find T, the total cost of the trip, including a transportation cost of $35. T equals 7C plus 10A plus 35. If the total cost of the trip was $134 and 7 children attended the trip, how many adults attended the trip? A. 3, B. 4, C. 5, D. 6. Number 44. Which expression below illustrates the commutative property? A. Parentheses x plus y plus 2 equals x plus parentheses y plus 2. B. Negative 3 parentheses a plus b equals negative 3a plus negative 3b. C. QRS equals RQS. D. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 45. Solve for x. 5 parentheses x plus 2 minus 10 equals 10x minus 20. A. Negative 4. B. 4. C. 12 over 5. D. 0. 46. Simplify negative absolute value negative 4 plus 16. A. 20. B. 12. C. Negative 12. D. Negative 20. Number 47. The low temperature on Mercury is negative 279 degrees. The high temperature is 801 degrees. What is the difference between the high and low temperatures on Mercury? A. 522 degrees. B. 279. C. 1080 degrees. D. 801. E. Negative 279. Number 48. Simplify 5 parentheses m plus 9 minus 4 plus 8m. A. 18m. B. 13m plus 49. C. 53m minus 4. D. 13m plus 41. Number 49. David's teacher asked him to solve the problem shown below. Parentheses, negative 125 plus 175 plus parentheses, negative 125 plus 165 plus 110. Is David's answer of 190 correct? If not, What is the correct answer? A, 150, B, 160, C, 200, D. David's answer is correct. Number 50. In the expression 4x cubed plus 7 plus 2x squared minus 3 plus x, what is the sum of the coefficients? A, 4, B, 6, C, 5, D, 7.